showing you how to make your own ringtone. Before we start, please like, subscribe, leave a positive comment, and enjoy the video, please. I work really hard on these videos, so please enjoy. Okay. Well, so now we got that down. So let's start the video. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys. The first step to making your own ringtone. I forgot. Hi, guys. Today we're making our own ringtone. I will show you. So the first thing you have to do. Get ready. The first thing you have to do is go to shortcuts. See, you can see that I made 2 of my own ringtones right now. I made 2 of my own. And now let's go. If you want to get there, you can just press all shortcuts. Let's press add. Okay, add action. Type in get latest videos. Yes. Then press add again. You guys, I'm about to show you the next step. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Now type in. You guys ready? If you're not ready, pause the video. Okay. Pause the video if you're not ready. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds for you guys to start if you didn't get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're gonna type in this encode. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Encode. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I'm just kidding, man. If I'm not saying it right, don't blame me. Audio. AIFF. Okay. Now we're gonna add again. Okay. If you didn't get it, pause the video. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So you're gonna, I forgot to close it, but I'll go back. Type in S. Share. We're gonna type in share, okay? Share right here. Oh, don't forget to close this. I forgot. Anyways, get ready. Now we press next. Name your shortcut. I will name it. This could be a new ringtone for me. Oh, let's press testing. Now we press done. See, now we have a ringtone named testing. If you didn't do that, pause the video. Go back. Anyways, press next if you didn't do it. And then just type your shortcut name. Now you see these little 2 squares right on the side? Tap that. What the? So the little squares right here, you tap on that, right? Now press save to file. You can press audio. Boom, 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 boom. Let's name it testing ring. Short for ringtone. That's not actually a thing, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm just a kid. Remember that. Save. Now, guys, for the next step is to record whatever you want it to. Okay, see? I'm already recording, I'm already recording it and everything. So, yeah. Let's do it. The next step, after you recorded your ringtone, whatever thing, you go to GarageBand. If you don't have this app, download it. GarageBand, okay? I may have done this a few times. So if you see a lot, Pause the video. Remember that. Pause the video. Pause it. Then let's go. Make sure you're on the right thing as me. If you're struggling to get out of this thing like me, you can just try your best, okay? Try your best to get out of whatever you're dealing with. Okay? I don't know what you're gonna be dealing with in this video. If you need help, send it in the comments and I will probably do another video about it. Okay? 5 seconds to do this. 5 seconds to, you know what, 10. I'll give you 10 seconds to do it. 10 seconds for you to do this, okay? Okay, guys. So, okay. You guys ready for the next step? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Let me go back up to sudden, okay? Press audio. Audio. With the mic and everything. The mic out in blah, 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 off. And press. Turn off this. If you don't want this in your ringtone, that's going to be ticking. And go this. Hit that line thing, whatever it is. Let's start this over. If you guys don't hear this, let me turn it up. It's just ticking, right? It's just moving without anything on it. But now, guys, let's fix that. So let's go to here, baby. Then, you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I kind of already made 2 of them. Some things. Anyway, see? Testing ringtone. Now, testing ringtone should appear. I don't know what I just did. Let's press testing ringtone. It should appear here. Let me just delete 2 of my things that I made. Testing ringtone. It will appear here. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, it's going to appear here. Okay? Right there. Let me just clear that. You see that, guys? Then you're supposed to drag this here. Pretty much got your ringtone. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you. Wrong one. You did not hear that. I'm pretty sure it's test. Hi guys. Let's just pull out something else. Here's one I've worked on. Here is one that I really like. Here it is. If you guys haven't watched the Steven Universe movie, this is what it is, basically. Let's just pull it here, see?
I can make a promise. I can make a plan. I can make a difference. I can take a stand.
Oh, guys, please, if this is copyrighted, please don't sue me. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is the next step is just press my song, saving, then just go here. Oh, no, don't do what I just did. Go, okay, my songs. Share, and then you could press anything. I would press ringtone, but I already created it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys love the video. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!